are the final act of tonight, not the final performance. Hopefully. On my left here, we've got Steve Dunbar on bass. Good reception. At the back behind me, we've got Ken Clare on drums. And I'm James, and we're going to play a song called Push On Through.
Yeah, great night. We love performing this band, but it's about the right thing in the Whitechapel Centre. That's what it's about, and I think everyone's enjoyed it. And hopefully, we've raised the roof financially. We've got the money in.
You said now the last 5 weeks you've been on a journey with Primal Live. What's that journey been like?
It's been phenomenal because we've met so many different characters, different acts, different people. Unfortunately, we're the only band in this.
If we'd have had something to compare ourselves with.
Yeah, I would say somebody that's compared us with, but we're happy that we're in it. And the 5 weeks lead up to it, we met some fantastic people. It's been a great experience, and we do it again.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, last question then. For a band that might look to do Primal Live in the future, but they're sat on the fence, what would you say to them?
100% go for it.
Yeah, it's a fantastic stage.
Absolutely.
Just go for it.
And it gets them out there, and it could be something big for a young person, you know.
Well, not necessarily always has to be a younger person, but we've never played a stage as big as this. So for us, we'll take that away from this, and hopefully, if there is another Primal Live, we'll be in it.